back to another video. Today, that kind of looks weird on me and BeastSwarm. We're playing this, and you probably won't like this, but this might actually be my last time I might play BeastSwarm on camera for now. But maybe if you guys like it, then I'll continue it, because, yeah, you know. 3, wow, that's actually kind of good. So what do we have to do? Let's do a task. No way completing that. I literally have 6 days. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of that because you gotta be. Here I'll do tunnel. There. Look. I wish you can affect them on and off. That would be cool. Festive burns. Oh yeah, I just remembered. Hold up. How the Here, where is my puppy? You probably guys can find it, but I can't. I'm blind. Okay, let's go up here. Then why am I so fast? Defeat me in your dreams. Look, it's already at 7K. We're destroying this guy. Oh yeah, if you didn't see one of my earlier videos in BeastSwarm, yeah. Destruction. I don't know why I just said that, even though I got that guy. It's kind of weird. Here, and boom. Oh, glitter. Thanks, wow. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I bought that. I don't remember if you saw it. Yeah. It looks weird when I have this, yeah. Let's go up here. Is someone using a bunch of these? Yeah, I definitely are. I need seed. This guy speaks very good English. I need seed. Hey, pro guy. This guy really needs to learn English. What? I'm just gonna troll. I feel bad. I don't really have much though. I'm not actually. I feel bad. It looks weird without these in the winter. I mean, in the dark. Planted some sprouts. Oh, well, that's there. I'm not gonna do that. Perfect spot. Here, I'm gonna go up to Pepper. And oh yeah, in the one of my last videos, I got that. Yeah, I finally completed this task. No, I'm not gonna say that. Here, I might as well do that. What should we donate? Let's donate some stribs. Some stribs. Stribberies. I'm so excited for the thing that I'm gonna get. Actually, no, it's not too. Should I? Here, let's see a video. YouTube. Also, go subscribe to this guy named Guppy Plays. He has a really good channel. I don't know how he grew so much. A week ago he had 1,000 subscribers, and now he's at 4,000 almost, 3.7K. Here, donating star treat to win shrimp. Oh, that's not the that's not good. The wing falling out. I don't know.
Hit that like.
Donate the goddamn thing. What did they get? Right. Okay, you didn't get much. They didn't. Yeah, it's not worth it. Yeah, that's not worth it at all. You know what? No, that's actually a good idea. I'll use one. I'll get this first. Thank you. And we'll go to bamboo, because I like bamboo. Here, I'll destroy it first. I'm whacking him with a stick. I hated those. Never would. Here, we'll plant one. Bamboo. That's just cool. Oh my god, I'm destroying this. Speed, speed, speed. Speed, speed, speed. Yo! That's rare. I am. It is rare. I have like 5 more of them. Gimme. Why is the pro coming? He doesn't even need it. He already has this OP boosts. I probably won't get much because I have no speed right now. So that sucks. Oh, I had. Oh, gimme. Oh, I think I lost that. Oh my god, look at how many festive blessings we have. 11 million. When was my hive like that? Spirit. Oh yeah, my auto clickers. No, okay, let's check what we got. I got oil. Got some stuff, not much, but yeah. I just thought of something. What was I gonna do? Ooh, I have a perfect idea. Let's donate. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. We have 1,000. Should we? What should we buy? I could save up for this, but that's actually really good. But no. Here, we'll use 100, so... I saw enzymes. There we go. Dang it, the glitter was right there. Okay, we got a good amount. Here, we'll do this. And then we'll donate 5 of these, because why not? Dang, this guy really has to use a lot of these. No. Oil. End my suffering. This guy really... Alright, so there... Ah. I'm surprised we can't donate that. Here, let's use this. How many tickets do we have quickly? Oh, we might be able to buy another star. Oh, that's... Dang, just stop. 700. Ooh, let's try these. Bond 2 times Poland. Replace. %1 Poland. Keep old. 250. The moon seems happy. You know what? I'll do it. There's more white pollen. Instant conversion. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep these others. Should we buy another hive slot? Probably not. Oh, dang it, I just remembered. Can you craft here? We'll do that spike later. Can you craft? I don't think you can, but I forgot how to get diamond eggs. Yeah, you can't. Yeah. Here, I'll do this. Defeat. Oh, it's not that bad. Only 10k. I can do that in a tiny bit of, not much. This guy's gonna get to, there's green and red. It's kind of weird. Yeah, this guy keeps on using it. I think he has a big quest. Dude, why does everyone keep on coming to this place? Like, that was easy. 2. Why do you always get 5? That's probably, yeah. Yeah, I just remembered we had that. Yeah, well, there's nothing else to do. Yeah, I don't think you can buy diamond eggs, because I totally forgot. Yeah, it doesn't seem like I can find it, but let's check in here. We already have that. Already have that. Already have that. No. Why do we always need to have oil? Oil is so annoying. I literally hate it. Yeah. That's the only thing I have. Why does that grant more defense than the fire mask? I think that grants more defense than the actual fire mask. Here, let's check. This guy's good. Yeah, I think it does more than the fire mask. No, tiny bit. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, cause oh my god, that looks so weird under my mask. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video now, cause yeah, it's getting pretty. Yeah, you can see the guy whenever they use it or something. Yeah, I think on the video, cause it's getting pretty long. So I see you in getting back into bubblegum. Oh, there he is, finally. There, little puppy beat. Bye.